Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of an antibiotic called Zithromax, commonly known by its generic name, azithromycin. As always, this discussion is meant for educational purposes. If you have health-related questions or concerns, always reach out to a medical professional. Zithromax, or azithromycin, is an antibiotic that combats bacteria. It is employed to treat a variety of infections caused by bacteria, including respiratory infections, skin infections, ear infections, and sexually transmitted diseases. It's essential to note that Zithromax should only be used to treat infections that are confirmed or strongly believed to be caused by susceptible bacteria to prevent the development of drug-resistant strains. You should not use Zithromax if you have ever experienced jaundice or liver problems as a result of taking azithromycin. Before starting Zithromax, it's crucial to inform your healthcare provider if you're allergic to azithromycin. Additionally, if you've ever had jaundice or liver issues due to taking Zithromax, or if you're allergic to similar drugs like clarithromycin, erythromycin, or telithromycin, it's essential to let your doctor know. It's also important to discuss any history of liver disease, kidney disease, myasthenia gravis, heart rhythm disorders, or low potassium levels in your blood. If you're pregnant, planning a pregnancy, or breastfeeding, always consult with your healthcare provider. Zithromax is not recommended for children younger than 6 months. Always take Zithromax as prescribed by your healthcare provider. Adhere to the directions on your prescription label and avoid taking the medicine in larger or smaller amounts or for longer than recommended. The dosage and duration of treatment might vary depending on the type of infection. Zithromax can be consumed with or without food. If you're taking the oral suspension, ensure you shake it well before measuring a dose. Always complete the full course of the medication, even if your symptoms improve, to prevent the development of antibiotic-resistant bacteria. Like all medications, Zithromax can have side effects. Some individuals might experience allergic reactions, including hives, difficulty breathing, and swelling in the face or throat. More severe skin reactions, such as a rash that spreads and causes blistering and peeling, are also possible. If you notice symptoms like skin rash, fever, swollen glands, muscle aches, severe weakness, unusual bruising, or yellowing of your skin or eyes, seek medical attention immediately. Other potential side effects include severe stomach pain, watery or bloody diarrhea, fast or pounding heartbeats, shortness of breath, and liver problems. Always consult your doctor for medical advice about side effects and report any new or unusual symptoms. Zithromax might interact with other medications. It's crucial to inform your doctor about all medications, supplements, and herbal products you're currently taking to avoid any adverse interactions. Specifically, mention if you're taking nelfinavir or blood thinners like warfarin, Coumadin, or Jantoven. Always adhere to your doctor's recommendations when taking Zithromax. The dose and length of treatment can vary based on the type of infection. Zithromax can be taken with or without food. If you're using the oral suspension, shake it well before measuring. Always complete the full course of treatment, even if your symptoms improve. While on Zithromax, avoid taking antacids that contain aluminum or magnesium within 2 hours before or after your dose, as these can make Zithromax less effective. Be cautious of diarrhea, which could indicate a new infection. If you experience watery or bloody diarrhea, stop taking Zithromax and consult your doctor. Additionally, avoid excessive exposure to sunlight or tanning beds, as Zithromax can increase your risk of sunburn. Is Zithromax a penicillin? No, Zithromax is not a penicillin. It belongs to a class of antibiotics called macrolides. It's safe for individuals allergic to penicillin. Also, Zithromax is not available over the counter, it requires a prescription. That concludes our overview of Zithromax. As always, this information is intended for educational purposes and should not replace professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare provider for any questions or concerns. Thank you for joining us.